Guys, ganitong oras, Ramadan pa rin. Basta guys, basta tayo at magbabas tayo. Try natin sumakay ng train papunta doon sa pupuntahan ko ang location. At nakita nyo makulimlim yung langit, pero maaliwalas naman eh. Maaliwalas. Nag-face mask ako kasi maalikabok sa mga dumadaan na sasakyan. Sinakabahan, kabahan pala yun. Pakabago lang dito sinakabahan kasi bata yung pinag-uusapan nila eh. Yun yung murang bilihin dito. City din siya, which is lahat ng mga bilihin Pinoy or most mura, mga gold doon, kompleto doon. Bago lang siguro dito sila sa lugar namin. Kami sa awa ng Diyos 2 taon na po kami at thanks God, everything is okay and everything is good. Hopefully more years to come. We're doing good and we're doing great, guys. This is normal day, guys, from expat to overseas, what you call. Hope everyone is doing good and great. Magbabas tayo dito yung terminal ng bus. Actually hindi terminal, station pala. Yung main terminal, doon tayo bababa. Hopefully makasakay tayo agad. Hindi ko alam anong oras ng bus, pero usually 4:50 and then 5 meron. 4 ano na dito eh, 4:50. Then we have new bus coming this time. Ang luwang ng daan, guys, kabilaan yun. Dito rin, guys, takbo tayo. Diba, mabilis dito, mahirap tumawid, guys. Ganda ng panahon, hindi mainit, guys. Yung bus mo pulin natin, guys. Bus, bagsak tayo sa mismong bilis ng mga sakyan dito. Dapat allow ko sa paglipat tsaka pagtakbo, mabilis yung pagtakbo mo. Ang bawa to. Check natin yung route sa English ng bus. Nakasulat naman dito kung saan yung route niya at kung saan ka pupunta. Sa Diriyah Terminal tayo bababa. Diriyah Terminal. Sa South or sa Hyperpanda. Upon 202 sa kabila English. Yan. Dito tayo bababa. Dito yan. So ito kami sa Ulaya to. So ito lang tayo ng bus, guys. Dito yan bababa yung bus. Dito rin magsasakay. Dito bababa, dito rin magsasakay. Ganun din sa kabila yan. 101, 102. Dito 202. Sa side na to. Ganyan kaluwang dito, guys. Sasakyan, mga daanan. Later on, meron na rin bus niyan eh. May bus na rin daraan. Darating. Luwang, no? Maaga akong malis guys kasi bakit? Para we will gonna find out how can we ride bus at the same time in metro train here. Very few who can ride this metro train and bus. And it's actually easy, but of course you need to ask. As always, much better to ask and to make sure. Especially if you have a time limit or time management, you should be aware and how to get ride in a bus or a train here. Especially it's very big. This place is very big, huge guys, and the train it helps. The first advantage is cheap than to go taxi or Uber or Bolts or whatever application in Grab to pick you up. Bus it's really cheap, 4 real in 2 hours. Consumable guys, including in on your place.